Welcome to Craftsember, a December weekday journey into creativity and inspiration. I'm Suzanne, a Canadian Stampin' Up demonstrator, sharing paper crafting ideas to spark your imagination. We're going to explore some techniques and celebrate the joy of crafting. I may share projects using multiple products, last chance products, scrapbooking ideas, crafting kits, or fun folds. You never know, I might throw in a 3D object or two. So whether you're a seasoned stamper or just getting started, there's something here for you. Let's dive into today's video. Well, hi kids. Today I'm going to share with you the Christmas Ornaments kit. Now, sadly, this kit is currently unavailable, but you will be able to get it still, maybe for next Christmas. These are all the components that are in the kit. There's some rings. I guess they're like brass or golden rings. There's some bows. There's some pine cones. And then there's a whole bunch of paper die cut sprigs of holly, I guess, and I don't know, ferny branches. So basically, I'm going to show you this once, and then I sort of skip the rest in the video. So I put these flat glue dots on the top and the bottom of my rings. I tie the gold thread around one of the glue dots, and then I make sure to glue it on the bottom as well, and just, you know, tying it and securing it as best as I can. So, and you do this for all of the rings, and that is how I secured them. So there's also these little like plaid circles, and you've put a dimensional adhesive on one side. You match it up to the golden thread, and you secure everything inside. So it's quite lovely, actually, I gotta say, because like it secures everything happily to itself. And then I'm using dimensionals to put the ferns and the twigs and the leaves on, glue dots and then my regular glue dots for the bows. And then it says that you're supposed to use hot glue for the pine cones. And I'll be honest here, folks, I burnt myself really badly with, I had 3rd-degree burns one time, and you can probably still see the scar on my the top of my left thumb there, and I'm a little apprehensive about my glue gun. So I just used a dimensional adhesive for the pine cones, and maybe when I'm feeling a little bit more brave, or I get irritated by the pine cones falling off, perhaps I will hot glue them back onto the thing. Anyway, I'm just gluing them temporarily. When I filmed this was like in August. So I thought that, you know, I would share it before I actually did. So, but anyway, when I get them out to decorate the tree, can you imagine this? I've been so busy, I haven't even had my tree up yet. So the tree is coming today probably, and hopefully I will be able to get out, and I will use these. These are really cute, these little embellishments. Also, I think that these would also be really nice if you were able to address presents, like that you could put this on a wine bottle if you wanted, if you're going to someone's house for Christmas Eve or New Year's Eve. Like, these would be the perfect gift. Wrap it around your home baking with you know, just it would be just a nice little extra touch. That's one of the nice things about handmade items, don't you think, that you know, you can gift them, and they zhuzh up that packaging. Anyway, you can see what I'm doing here. We're on the 3rd one here, and they're all the same. The brass circle, you put your little circle paper, fold it in half, secure everything, and that you guys. I'll show you all 3 at the end, but this was just a really quick video sharing a wonderful little craft. Eventually, you're going to be able to get this ornament kits again. In case you're interested, the number is 1643.78 and it's $34 Canadian. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.